Hey guys, so everyone's probably most familiar fight in this instance is Ragnaros. He's the last boss. Rag will always be tanked here in the middle. There's going to be a main tank and an off tank. They're both going to be capped at fire resistance, 300 or 315. Melee is going to be behind Rag, and ranged and healers are going to be spread out all along this way. And the main tank healers will obviously stay in range. If healers need to get closer so they can heal the melee, then they'll adjust accordingly. What's going to happen in the fight is outside of the main tank and the off tank, all melee and all ranged and all healers are going to wear 0 fire resistance. This is different than how it used to be. And everyone's going to use a greater fire protection potion before the pull, and then once the buff falls off, you're going to use it again. It's exactly how it's going to be. Pretty much what that means is we're most likely not going to see a sun's phase, but what's going to happen is Rag after 3 minutes is going to summon suns, and these little fire elementals are going to come out. Everyone needs to clear the zone because they mana burn a ton, and it's a 10-yard range, and then everyone's just going to AoE them down and melee will focus them. Outside of that, guys, just manage your knockbacks from Rag if you're ranged and healers and melee, and get back in position. And you can't see Sun's face twice, so it's really good to just kill him in that first 3 minutes. And with the fire protection potion strat, we really should most likely not see Suns. But if we do, then we'll adjust accordingly. Outside of that, guys, that's it.